good? What's good? What's good? What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Wiz, and I'm back again with another video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to trade double bottom pattern in the forex market, right? So this is a very simple but yet very powerful strategy that you can actually use to make a lot of money trading forex, right? So a lot of people they are sleeping on this, but I'm about to explain to you guys how you can be trading forex using this pattern, right? So now let me just remove these glasses so that we can get to the business, guys. So now let's just talk. As you can see, for those who don't know what is double bottom, right? So double bottom is basically a forex pattern, and it's always happen most of the time during an in a downtrend or uptrend, right? So and it's always considered as a reversal pattern. You understand? So like as you can see here, the market has been going down, right? It's just been going down, blah 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 blah. Blah, you know, and as you can see here right now, the market has formed a bottom pattern. And how does it form? It's actually a form. It's a form as a W, right? If you actually pay, if you see it, let me just show you here. This is how it is. The market came down and then reached at this point here, went up, and then the market came down. But the market came down and actually fell to break this previous low. You understand? And it actually reversed at the exact same price where the other price, the previous price, has reversed, and then formed a W, right? And that's what we call a double top. You understand? And now let me explain to you guys how to trade, how to make money in the forex just by trading this pattern, right? So when you see this pattern when you're trading, it's actually very important to actually pay attention to it. If you was actually selling, then you know it's time for buyers to take control and the market is going to start going up. You understand? So now how do you trade this one? As you can see here, this is here's the bottom, right? Sorry, here's the first bottom and this is the second bottom, and that's what we call double bottom, right? So when the market calm down and reach at this in the form a lower low, will go up and then it come down and it failed to break the previous lower low, but now the market decide to go up and form a W. That's what we call double bottom. And now how do you trade this kind of market? If the market do that, what you need to do is to actually wait. So now let me show you. I want to explain to you guys uh here, right? So if the market goes up, all right, like that, and then it reaches this line here, this line, right? This is what we call a neckline, right? So that's a neckline. You understand? So what you're gonna do is to just actually take another line and then you put here, right? So this is what we call a neckline. You understand? So once the market break the neckline, what you're gonna do is you're gonna wait for a retest, all right? The market is gonna do this. Let me show you. The market is gonna go up. Once the market break the neckline, it's gonna retest the neckline, right? Once the market retest the neckline, and then you wait for the market to start going up, and then you can basically buy this market, right? And then you're gonna buy. You know, that's just simply how to trade a. Uh, that's simply how to trade what to trade trend reversal. You understand? Hey, how to trade double bottom. So and then where are you gonna put your stop loss and a take profit, which is very important, right? So where you gonna put your stop loss? First of all, let's talk about TP. TP, you're actually gonna measure the same pips that has moved from neckline to this bottom, right? That's the same exact pips that you're actually gonna be expecting to get up there. You understand? So now what you have to do is you just need to wait for what for the market to retest so that you can get an entry so that you can buy, and then you're gonna actually wait for your target. Now let's talk about it. So if the market goes up, let me show you the market to break this trend line, this neckline, the market is going to retest, right? As soon as the market retests and it start going up, that's when you're actually going to open a buy position, and your stop loss will be below that previous uh, that previous price. Understand? And then you're actually going to hold till you hit your take profits. So just stick to the end of this video because I'm actually gonna give you a bonus, right? And what I personally do whenever I take a trade, right? So now let's play and see how this market actually moved. All right, let's just play and see how the market actually moved. And see the market went up, went down, right? Now here's how it is. As you can see, the market went down, right? Went that went up, break the neckline, and then the market come down and retest this neckline. So if you can pay attention, guys, the market did not actually retest and retest at the exact at the neckline, right? You actually break a neckline a little bit, and that's a normal thing in a market. So what you have to do as a forex trader, you actually have to wait. Don't just enter quick. Just wait for the market to show you the momentum of going up. And if the market is going up, and that's when you're actually gonna open your buy position. When the market is finished to retest the neckline and the market start going up, and then you're gonna put your long position right here. You understand? This way your long position will be, and then your stop loss, like I said, is gonna be here at the last price. And now let's talk about take profit, right? Which is very important, guys. Take profit is very important. So take profits, like I said, like we said, it's you're actually gonna calculate the number of the pips that has moved from neckline to the last price, right? At the same pips that are actually gonna move from neckline again to your take profit. So your take profit is gonna be here. You see, that will be your take profit, guys. Your take profit is actually 1:2. So now in your mind, are you willing to take this trade, right? So 1:2 for me, it's a very it's very nice. You understand? So and now what you're gonna do is you're actually gonna open a trade, put your stop loss, and put your take profits, and then you wait for the result, right? So now let's play and see how the result is. Let's play it. You see the market went down, playing around, boom, boom, boom. As you can see, the market went up and do what? And hit the take profits, right? So now you can calculate your pips. You're actually risking how much? 40, 45 pips, right? Because I usually trade gold. I only trade gold. You was risking 40, 45 pips, but you was aiming for 95 pips. Understand? Which is very good. You understand? And that's simply how to trade double bottom. You understand? So I hope now you understand how to really trade a double bottom. It's very simple. And whenever you see this pattern when you are trading, don't ever sleep on it. Just make sure that you know how to trade it. And this is how to trade it. Yeah. Like I said, it's actually gonna form a W, right? And then when the market go up and it break this neckline, wait for a retest of neckline. Once the market finish the retesting and it's going up, you're gonna open your buy position, and then your take profit is gonna be up for the same. Is gonna be the same price that has moved from neckline here to the last price. Understand? Yeah, that's what the market is gonna move here. And now you're gonna see how you're gonna risk, and make sure that you risk your the risk reward makes sense. So personally, whenever I'm trading, I don't take any trade less than 1:2. Yeah, I only take from 1:2 and above. You understand? So and this trade here was actually a good trade. You understand? Risking 45 pips to actually aim for 90 something pips, which is very good. Everyone, I think I recommend everyone should take that trade. You understand? Because yeah, it's a very good risk reward. Now, as you can see, here it is. So now let's talk about like those people who aim for 1:3, like me, right? Most of the time, guys, I aim a 1:3. Let's say you adjust your 1:3, and then like yeah, huh? 1:3. Now let's play and see how 1:3, if we could have also make money or we was going to lose. Let's play. Boom. 1:3 also we was gonna make good profits. You understand? As you can see here, it was actually the profit was 140 and 40 pips, just risking 45 pips. So yeah, personally I actually risk I actually go for 1:3 because, guys, as that's exactly what I always see as there is a profit. You understand? 1:2. With the 1:3, I only need like a 3 win out of 10 to actually be profitable. So, and for me, I don't like to be on the chat all the time. I don't take every trade every time, right? I only take a few trades during the day. So, and I only take A plus trades. So the same trades that I'm actually sending in a VIP group. So if you're not in a VIP group, you're actually missing out a lot because you are killing it every day. And the link will be down below of Telegram group. Just to join our free Telegram group, and then you're gonna see how to join the VIP group. You understand? And for those who is asking me which broker do I use, I will leave the link down below in the description as well. Make sure that you open an account with them and trade with them. They're very, very good broker, right? So yeah, if you have any question again, let me know down below in the comment section, you guys. Let's talk in the comment section. Spam questions in the comment section, right? So let's engage with these videos. I know we've been quiet in this on this YouTube channel, but now we are back, guys. We are back. We are back. We are back. We are back. And make sure you're in a free Telegram group. The link down below. So yeah. Till then, guys, I will see you again on the next.